Hello. Oh, it's for you?
Yeah.
Okay. What happened? The key just got lost?
Yeah, I got lost.
Okay. I have a YouTube channel. If you don't mind, I'll put it on there, okay?
Okay. He's not making contact with the ignition.
Okay.
So, in order to move the car, I need a key to get to the shop.
Okay. So you could drive it, though?
Yeah, I can drive it. As long as it takes a key inside it,
Yeah.
it should be fine.
Oh, so the ignition is broken? Looks fine.
Yeah, I don't know what. It's not getting signal from the alternator or from the starter to here.
Oh, really? Okay, so you just want me to make, like, you want me to cut it then, or should I just program it?
Can you program it?
Yeah. Well, for sure we got to program it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I'm saying you need the key cut, or you don't even need it cut?
Yeah, I need it.
It's probably for the doors, huh? Who has it? I think they have a broken key, but... You have a broken piece? Okay, so they had a key, so you just want me to copy it then, and then program it, I guess. Makes sense.
Yeah,
Okay.
I didn't know they had it. He told me it was off.
Oh, gotcha. So when you were trying to start it, did you have the fob up against it or no?
No, just you gotta put the.
Yeah. Maybe because it's broken? We'll just copy this key. Forward. Okay, let's read this key. Got a key code. Got the new one. The other side. All right, got the new key. All right, we got a Ford Fusion. 13 to 16, bladed key. Yes. We're gonna do add key. Oh, whoops, I didn't do it right. Let me go back. It was like the new way to do it. You got to put the original key in and start the car. Just turn it off. So just let this start over. Here, I'll do it now. Actually, forget it. So you have to put that fob up against it. Of course, you can't get it to turn. Oh, they've been using that. They got tools here for me. Look at that. All right, let's put the phone down. Hopefully, you guys can see it. Let's see. Hopefully, we get close enough. Still checking vehicle status. Should just use another machine, right? I'm gonna use my other programmer because it's just no fun doing it with the off operator. The only thing with this one is it's probably gonna make me wait the full 10 minutes. Oh well. Let me take this one back out. This remote should work. Yeah, that remote works. Good. Ford Fusion. It's like a 2014 or something. Add key. Transmission off. Oh, 5 minutes, that's not bad. Might even go faster. It was like 2 seconds into my key. Oh, shoot. It didn't turn it on. Right. Ignition off, okay. Total keys. Communicating for about 5 minutes. It went after like 2 seconds the last time. Or like 10 seconds, I should say. Okay. So the locks should move up and down. Click, click. You heard it? That's it. It's done. Total keys 4. Okay. Well, the key's in. He said something about starting it or whatever. That's good. That original key, if you ever want to fix it, the original key, if you ever want to fix it, all you need to do is get like the new plastic, and then you could just swap everything over.
Okay.
Reshell it. So this one's done. But I don't, like you said, I'm not sure what you were talking about how to start it, but
Okay.
But that should work.
Cool.
All right. So you have to basically put that key and turn it on?
Yeah. What? That's just close too.
Oh, shoot. Well, you got to get that fixed before it breaks. All right, guys, look. iPhone doesn't turn on too hot. I don't know if you can even see it. If you can see it. See, too hot, but my Android works just fine. Step up, Apple. Figure this out.
I think that's how you do it.
How do you start it? Damn. That's how you start the car?
Yeah. I have to bypass the need to go get a picture.
If you see this guy standing by your car, be careful. He may be trying to take off in it. No, I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. Have a good day, all right?
You too, man.
Thanks, dude.
All right.
Later.